before I started that video, but if I can show you here, this thing is rock hard. It can't be scooped. So that's why I mixed it with the grenadine. Not only that but also because of color. I'll be doing this for 4th of July. So this is our red. This is the strawberry. And now it's scoopable. So it softened it considerably with just grenadine. So all I did was mix a little grenadine in. So that's the red scoop. Vanilla bourbon. This is another store-bought ice cream. This one isn't as bad, but it does have alcohol in it also. Now there's actually no alcohol in grenadine. It's just it's used in alcoholic drinks a lot though. But it's basically fruit juice. And it comes in, it's either made a lot of times with cherry, which is more common, or pomegranate. I'm glad I got the cherry version because I can't stand pomegranate. But that's the vanilla. Stop and return this ice cream. So I just finished returning the ice cream. Reason why it turns to hard rock is because there's a lot of tea in it. So this is the returned ice cream. And we're back at soft serve level. Now, when I originally did this, the strawberry ice cream was freezing my banana without even trying. Don't know if that's going to happen with the sweet potato, but we kind of have the same situation. However, with the store-bought strawberry, I think it's probably too many emulsifiers is what's causing the problem. But it is really hot today, so I'm all for ice cream. The grapes don't seem to want to stay, but these are Concord grapes. Like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Thanks for your time.